So if you haven't been living under a rock, baked oats have gone really viral on TikTok. You make them with oats and it's like eating cake, and it's also quite low calories if you use the right ingredients. I thought, I'm gonna try them. I'm gonna try the TikTok viral baked oats. I've seen so many different flavors, so many different types. I'm either gonna use like Nutella or like the Lotus Biscoff spread, just depending on what I've got in the cupboard when I look downstairs. Let's preheat my oven to like 200. And I've actually got enough of like the biscuit spread, so I'm going to be doing these ones. So you can just add all of like your ingredients into your tray that you're going to bake it in and then mix it. If you want the finer cakey consistency, you have to like blend it so that it's more airy and thin. So I'm going to be doing it that way. So this is my blender cup that I'm going to be blending it in. But first of all, sorry, I need to put this on 0. We need to weigh out 40 grams of oats. And then we need 1/4 teaspoon of baking powder. I'm now adding in 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. Then we need to add in milk. You can use any milk of your choice. I'm going for coconut milk just because I really like the taste of it, and it's also very low in calories. You can use normal milk if you want. I just drink plant milk, and I'm going to pop in about 75 millilitres of that. It's at this point that you can add in any other flavours that you want. So like if you wanted to make them chocolatey, you can add some like hot chocolate powder or cocoa powder. And I'm going to be adding in my biscuit spread. You could use like Nutella as well. So that's everything you need. I'm now going to blend this. So I'm going to pop my oats in this little tray here. I'm just going to pour them in. There we go. And at this point you can also add in like some chocolate chips because then they will melt in the oven. And then this is going into the oven. I feel like I'm going to put it in for about 10 minutes and then I'll check on it. I'm pretty sure it's done. Obviously my chocolate chips are a bit toasty, but the rest of it looks cool. Let me see. Yeah, that's like a cakey consistency. I've brought them upstairs to eat. They smell really good, but the tray is just so hot. I've got this like really low calorie caramel drizzle. It's only like 47 calories for a 15 gram serving, which is really good. So I'm just going to squirt a bit of this on the top to finish them off. And there we have it, my baked oats. So I'm actually going to try them now and give you my verdict. They are like super cakey though. I don't know if you can see, but like you wouldn't know that these were made with oats. They literally do taste just like cake. I feel like these would be so good with Nutella as well. Like look, doesn't that just look like cake? They literally taste the exact same as a cake would. For like a low calorie breakfast, these are really good. I totally understand why they've gone viral on TikTok for sure. I would rate them like a strong 9 out of 10. I've fully finished them. They were super yummy. You have to try these. They're totally worth the hype that they've been getting on TikTok because they taste amazing. And you can put whatever twist you want on it. Like I've made baked oats before, but I've put like berries in them rather than like the spread. So thank you for watching this video. I hope you've enjoyed it. Please remember to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in my next one.